Hi YouTube, I'm from today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a video of the Perixx PX 3200 programmable backlit gaming keyboard. So this is a box that came with. On the front you do have a picture of the keyboard. On the top of the left side of the box you do have some things basically telling you full size up to 16 million color settings, backlit laminated, built-in 32K flash memory, 50 million key stroke life cycle, and 27 anti-ghosting keys, I guess. And then on the bottom it does tell you PX 3200 programmable backlight gaming keyboard, and you do have this picture of the keyboard with some pink lights. It looks very nice. On the side you do have designed in Germany, and you have value creator on the bottom, and on the top of the box you do have Perixx.com. Now going on the back of the box you do get, it's telling you basically again PX 3200 programmable blacklight gaming keyboard, telling you all the languages that it can be used for, and in the bottom it does tell you that it can be used on PC, Windows XP, Vista 7 and 8, and you can also actually use this on Mac too, which that's what I'm going to be using it on. And on the top is telling you the same thing again: Windows XP, Windows Vista, and then Windows 7 and 8. And you do have Perixx again, and www.perixx.com. Go check them out. So yeah. So now let's get to the unboxing. So as you can see, I haven't removed the tape yet, so let's do that right now. Sorry guys, I'm having a little trouble getting the box to open. Alright, so I have opened the tab now. Let's lift this up. So the first thing that you're greeted with the box is the keyboard, of course. Let's set this to the side. We'll take a quick look at the keyboard later. Inside the box you also do get, so you get a programmable, you basically get a CD telling you how to use a keyboard. You get your manual telling you how to use a keyboard and how to program it and stuff. And last but not least, you do get a couple of extra keys just in case some of them mess up or break. And yeah, so you do have your tool to remove the old keys and add on the new ones, and that's basically it. So let's take this to the side and take a quick look at the keyboard. So let's remove the wires from the box. Sorry for the angle, guys. This is a really big keyboard, and I can get everything on my camera and table. So this is the wires basically. You do have an USB, and then two wires for your audio, and something else which I'm not sure of. And now let's remove this plastic out of the keyboard, and let's take a quick look at the keyboard. So as you can tell, this keyboard is a pretty big keyboard. It's very nice, very well designed. On the left side, you do have Perixx, and you do have www.perixx.com. You do have a lock and unlock button. You do have all your keys. Looks very nice. On the top, you do have some buttons for your lights and different modes that you can change it to. On the left side, you do have PX 3200 gaming keyboard, and on the bottom, you do have an audio and headphone or headphone jack, so you could plug in your headphones right from the keyboard, and on the right side you don't have anything, you just have some keys, and on the right side on the bottom you do have PX 3200 gaming keyboard again, and that's pretty much it. So in a bit I'm going to be showing you guys some close-ups of the keyboard and how it looks when you have it installed to your computer and when the lights are turned on and everything. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Hi guys, I'm here back again. So I have managed to install the keyboard to my iMac, and as you can tell, once you have connected your keyboard to your iMac or PC, it will give you some instructions of how to set up the keyboard and stuff. So if you guys can tell, it is a pretty big keyboard. Comparing this to my regular Apple keyboard, it's a pretty big keyboard. So you guys need to have like a pretty big desk in order to fit this whole thing. So now I'm gonna have to sacrifice my mouse, and I'm gonna actually have to be using it up here, or else I'm gonna have to try to make some space on the side here to try to use the keyboard and mouse at the same time. Overall, I really like this keyboard, and I really think it's worth the money. Thanks Perixx for sending this out for me for review. It's very worth the money, very nice, feels very great quality. The lights look very nice and dark. You do have different colors that you could change into. It looks very nice overall. I really like this product. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.